Welcome. Welcome, Amina.
To our class.
Yes, nice smile without teeth. Okay. So good afternoon, all of you. So it's time to complete our portions for the. Anyway, we have completed the portions for. No, we have completed the degrees of comparison, and I request everybody to please, everybody to do the exercises which I have sent the answer keys. Okay, based on that, you can please complete your, you can complete your workbook. Take your own time. Don't rush. First of all, what you want to do is take a pencil and do all the questions by your own. If there is any additional questions are put in my worksheet, means you can add. If you want, you can add those questions into your workbook and try to attempt such question and its answer with pencils. After entries, you please check your answers. If there is any errors, rub it with the eraser and you can write the right answer there. Okay. And today we are planning to take regular, irregular verb. Today I am actually completing regular, irregular verb. And after this, I am actually requesting you to do the regular, irregular verb pages. Okay, I have sent the notes yesterday in the class group also. As I have completed in 5A and 5B, I have sent the note in the 5C class group also. So listen, children, listen carefully. Let me start. The topic,
yes, ma'am, yes.
Regular and irregular verb. Okay, so what are verbs? As you all know, verbs are the action words, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Drink, eat, dance, sing. All these are the action words in English, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have
Verbs
two
are action
classifications.
words.
There are many classifications for a verb. We have regular verb, we have irregular verb, we have finite verb, we have non-finite verb, we have many auxiliary verbs, we have main verbs, right? There are many different classification under verb. So let me start with the regular, irregular verb. Okay? Regular, irregular verb. You know, we have learned, when we have learned degrees of comparison, we have learned the term called regular and irregular adjectives. Okay? Regular and irregular adjectives. Haven't we?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, of course, we have learned, right? So the same way,
Yes,
we are
ma'am,
going to
yes.
learn regular and irregular verb. Children, how many forms for a verb? Verb has different forms based on the tenses, right? It has 3 or 4 forms, right? It has 4 forms. First form is called present form. Second form is called past form. Third form is called past participle form of a verb, and the last one is called present participle form of a verb, right? A verb has different forms, okay? You can see a verb has different forms. Children, listen. We have 4 forms of a verb, okay? What are they? Present form. What are they? Present form.
Past form, past participle
Past
form, and present participle form.
Past participle form. Past participle form. Okay, past participle.
Can you repeat?
And I'm writing on the board. You can't see that? Present participle. A verb has different forms. First one, present form, past form, past participle form, present participle form. According to your last year's book, you have learned V1, V2, verb 3 form and verb 4 forms, right? Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Verb
Yes.
1 form is called present form. Children, listen. Suppose the word is walk. Children, listen. Here it is heavy rain, so I won't be able to hear you well. So please listen. Present form of a verb is, it can be walk or walks. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Past form of the verb walk is walked. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I correct?
Yes,
Walk.
ma'am.
Yes. And the past participle form also walked. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And always the present participle forms are ing forms. Okay? Present participles are always ending in ing. So What is the form called a walk in present participle form of walk?
Walking,
Yeah,
walking.
of course it is walking. Walk plus ing, walking. Example, another example, the word jump. What is the past form?
Jump.
Jumped.
Jumped.
Okay,
Jumped.
jumped. Past participle form?
Jumped.
Jumped itself. Present participle form? Jumping. Okay, very good. And I have another thing. I have a word called come.
Come.
Present form, it can be jump or jumps. Present form. Come or comes. Okay. What is the past form of the verb come?
Came.
Came. Very good. Came. Okay. Not comed. Comed is wrong. No. There is no verb called camed in English. Okay. Come, came, and what is the past participle form of come? Come itself. Come itself. Okay. And the present participle form?
Coming.
Quite clear?
Yes.
And another word. Rights. Right or rights. Past form? Wrote. Very good. Wrote. Okay. And past participle form?
Written.
Written. Very good. Written. And the present participle form? Tea. How many tea?
Only one. Only ma'am. Only one.
Okay. Writing. Okay. So these are called the 4 forms of verb. Okay. 4 forms of the verbs are past form, present form, past form, past participle form, and present participle form. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So based on this formation, we have to learn this regular and irregular verb. Children, see, I have said the first form is the present form, right? Right? But today we are going to discuss, children listen, today we are going to discuss, there are 3 forms, base form. Base form is come. Okay. Past form, came. Past participle form, come. Okay. Base form, jump. Past form of jump is?
Jumped.
Past participle form of jump is?
Jumped.
Okay. So children, regular verbs form their past and past participle by adding ed at the end. Children listen, regular verbs are easy to identify because the base form like jump, it forms its past form and it forms its past participle form ending in ed. Okay, so the jumped are regular verbs. Okay, the word jump is a regular verb. Okay, walk. Base form is walk. What is the past participle form of walk? Walked. What is the past form of walk?
Walking.
Present participle, past form. Walk itself. So the base form walk, past form walk, past participle form. Someone, I request everybody to mute your audio. Okay, so listen carefully. So if the past form and past participle forms are ending in ed, then such verbs are called regular verbs. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to hear a few examples from you. Okay, I'm going to hear a few examples from you. I have Pranava, Catherine here. First question, Pranava, can you give me one example for regular verb? Regular verb example?
Jump.
My example, I won't give it to you. If you want, you can create your own. Another one?
Dance.
Okay, wonderful. See, the word dance. The base form of the word is dance, and when you change it into past form, the past form is danced, and the past participle form is also danced, ending in ed. Okay, so example for regular verb. Now Shiva Gayatri, Another example. Regular verb, another example. Thinking. Avantika, can you give me one example?
Read it.
Read it. Read it. Oh my God. I
No,
should
that's
jump
red.
from here. Read
We
it.
all are saying red. Then also
I'm stopping my class if you use the word read it.
It's red.
Sorry, ma'am.
There is not a word called read it in English. I
Red.
have heard one camed. No word. Only Shakespeare and a few great, wonderful playwrights contributed languages. Now Avantika's word is read it. I read it in my book. My
Ma'am,
God.
I have-
Don't say like that. Okay, read.
Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am.
No. Pooja.
Ma'am.
Regular verb, one example. Pooja. Singing a song. I want an example. Pooja. Pooja is sitting in a swing. Easy chair.
Ma'am.
I don't want to wait for long. See, try to think a verb which is ending in
Ma'am, can I
ed in
tell?
past and past participle ed.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, of course. Who is that? Rena Fatima.
Ma'am, Rena
Yes,
Fatima.
Rena.
Play.
Play. Wonderful. Play. Past form of play is played. Past participle form is played. Angelina Rose, turn on your video and tell me one answer. Regular verb example. Angelina Rose. No, she's not there. Fida Hiba. Fida Hiba. Yes. Fida. Unmute your audio first.
Sit.
No way at all. Prayag, I request you to give me an example for regular verb. Huh?
Can I?
Prayag, unmute. No way. I'm not getting any responses. Who is this? Aromal, can you give me one example? Aromal, regular verb example.
Ma'am, this is correct. Sing.
Huh?
Sing.
No.
T-H-I-N-K, think. No, its past form is
S-I-N-K.
thought.
Run. Ma'am,
Run.
Sing.
No, its past
No,
form is
sing,
ran.
ma'am, sing. He's saying sing.
Sing. No,
No.
sang. We are not using the word singed. He sing the song is wrong. Sang a song is correct. Vishnu? Vishnu?
right.
Paint. Excellent. The word is paint. Painted.
Ma'am,
Okay.
wrote.
Yes, Sri Shankar. Sri Shankar.
Ma'am, wrote.
Wrote is the past form of write.
Your video is off. Ma'am, your video is off. Ma'am, your video. Yes, ma'am.
Now,
It will be offing like that automatically.
okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Ma'am,
Efrain Joby, a regular verb.
Yes, ma'am.
I want an example for a regular verb.
Ma'am, jump.
Jump, I have already said.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Walk. Krishna, walk, I said. Krishna,
Ma'am, I have two.
Krishna,
Yes,
give me one example, Krishna, for regular verb.
Sitting.
Sit.
Sat.
Sit, the past form is sat. It is not sitted.
Laugh.
Laugh. Excellent. Laughed.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have
So
two,
a
ma'am.
regular verb means its past and past participle forms are
Ma'am,
ending with ed.
smiling.
So
Ma'am,
children, I have a homework for you. Okay. I have a homework for you. You please, I hope that you are sitting with a small rough book or a small notebook. You buy a 100-page notebook. Okay, please everybody, I have a small request. You buy a 100-page notebook and please try to write 5 words daily. By drawing 4 columns, one column for the present form, another column for the past form, another column for the past participle form, and
Ma'am,
the
how
last
many
column
all
for the present participle form. Okay, 100-page or 50-page notebook. Okay,
Ma'am,
if you have last year's note, that can also be used. Okay, so you don't want to submit this book to me, but still you please collect, maximum you collect the verbs and try to write its 4 forms every day, 5 words. Okay, with date and day, every day you please collect 5 words and try to find out. See, if it is easy, you can keep it alphabetical order. You keep 2 pages for letter A, 2 pages for letter B, 2 pages for letter C, and whenever you're collecting, you please collect different words. Clear?
Ma'am, can I tell one?
Yes, of course, Rana Fatima, you can.
Please. Ma'am, your video is off.
It is not because of my problem.
Yeah, that's automatically off. Automatically
It's off.
Ma'am, can you sleep?
Again, my video is off, I think, right?
Ma'am, swim.
I have.
Ma'am, can I have?
Freya, you can give me one example.
Cook.
Looked. Okay, very good.
Cook,
So
ma'am.
the word
Cook.
Ma'am, can I tell one? Ma'am, can I?
cooked. Very good example.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Played. Okay, so I
Grease,
think you
ma'am.
understood the term regular
Ma'am,
verbs.
swim.
Okay,
Swim.
so regular
Swim.
verbs are formed by adding ed with the past form and ed with the past participle form. Clear? Are the regular verbs clear?
Yes.
If it is not formed, children, if the past form and past participle form, if it is not formed with ed, then such verbs are called irregular verbs in English grammar. Okay, irregular verbs are classified under 3 types. Okay, there are type 1 irregular verb, type 2 irregular verb, type 3 irregular verb. Let me share the screen for you. All of you please look at here.
Okay, ma'am.
So we are discussing verbs verbs can be classified under regular and irregular verb.
Regular
Okay?
verbs.
Regular
Yes.
and irregular. We are going to learn regular and irregular verb. Look at the regular verbs, children. Regular verbs form their past tense and past participle by adding ed. Everywhere. See, walked. Past participle, walked. Laugh, sorry, there is a mistake. The word is laugh. Laughed. Okay, paint. The word is painted. Past participle form is also painted, ending in ed. See, jump. The word is jumped in past form, jumped in the past participle form. So such verbs are called regular verbs in English grammar. It form their past tense and past participle by adding ed at the end. Okay, now let us discuss irregular verbs. Okay, irregular verbs form their past tense and past participle in a different way from adding ed. That means it is not formed at the end with ed. Okay, look at these example. You can see the base form here, you can see the past form here, you can see the past participle form here. First example, the verb is sit. Okay, it's past form. Look at the past form. You can see it is not seated, it is sat. Okay? And the past participle form also, it is not seated, it is sat. Okay, so the past form of sit is sat, past participle form of sit is sat. So this is an example for irregular verb because it is not formed by ending ed at the end. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Second example, the word is ring. I have not written here ringed. Ringed is wrong. It is a wrong answer and the past form is used in the way of rang and the past participle form also rung. Another way, you can see ring, rang, rung. 3 different forms, right? Right?
Yes,
and look at the example, the word is come. So this is also one of the example for irregular verb. Look at here, the base form is come. Its past form is came and the past participle form also come. I haven't written comed here, right? It is not formed ending with ed at the end, or it is not formed in the past form, and past participle forms are not formed with ed at the end. Okay, so this is also one of the example for regular verb. And look at the last example. You can see all the forms are same. Okay, all the three forms are same. The word cut.
Ma'am, can I tell you one irregular word?
Wait, 1 minute. Past form of the verb is cut itself. Past participle form is also cut.
Ma'am, I know one irregular verb.
Sure.
Run.
Run. What is the past form of run?
Ran.
What is the past participle form of run?
Ran.
Run. Ran.
Ran.
Run.
Run itself. Run. Ran. Run. Okay.
Okay. Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
Siana Jaffer. Siana Jaffer, irregular verb example.
Ma'am, I wrote this note.
Irregular verb example. Siana Jaffer. Siana, please unmute your audio. Okay, tell me one example. No, I can't hear you. Rasil Benher. Rasil Benher. Okay, tell me one example for irregular verb. Something is written on the roof. Reading from the roof and going to tell me. Aro, no. Ronita. Example for irregular verb. Example for irregular verb. Yes, Amin. Example for irregular verb.
Eat, ate, eaten.
Very good boy. My goodness. Very good boy. Very good boy. Very good boy. Okay. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, past form is ate. Eaten is past participle form. Absolutely correct. Ahil, I want one example from you.
Ma'am.
You're looking around.
Ma'am.
No? Shiva Gayatri, sit straight and give me one example for irregular verb.
Can I?
Shiva Gayatri, here you look and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay. Okay, Rena.
Can I? Right. Ma'am, can I tell?
Rena, can you?
Right.
Right. Absolutely a correct answer because its past form is right, wrote, written. Right? Three different forms. Angelina Martin, can you give me one example, Angelina?
Swim, swam, swim.
Swim,
Swam,
swam.
Ma'am, can I
No.
tell?
Third form, smaller. Swim,
Ma'am.
swam, swum. Swim, swam, swum.
Ma'am, sing.
Drink.
Sing.
The word drink. Drink, past is drank and past participle is drunk. So children, I have a homework for you. Daily. You please collect any 5 verbs and try to find out its past form and past participle form and present participle form, and please mention whether it is regular or irregular verb. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am. Regular verb. Or?
Now, let me tell you. Children, please look at here. I'm going to teach you the 3 types of irregular verb. Okay, so you can see a small table on the board now, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All the words.
But
See
sing which
here,
all
the
3
base
forms are
form
the same.
hit, past form also hit, past participle form also hit. The word is shut, past form also shut,
Ma'am, these are same.
participle form also shut. Okay, which shows this is first type of irregular verb, and this irregular verb type where you can see all the 3 forms are same. Okay, all the 3 forms are same.
That is the thing.
Shut form is hit, past form is hit, past participle form is hit. This is first type of irregular verb. Okay, it is the
Type 1.
type 1 irregular verb.
It will be all 3 same.
Okay? All the 3 forms are same.
Okay,
Example, the word put. its past form is not putted. I
Ma'am.
put a pen
Yes.
in my pocket, right?
Ma'am.
Wrong.
Ma'am,
Wrong it is. I put
today,
my pen
ma'am,
inside my
yes,
pocket.
today you
Okay.
sent
So all
some
the
notes,
three
right?
forms are same. All the three forms are
Excuse me, ma'am.
same. Base form, past form,
Ma'am.
past participle form.
Participle
All the three forms are same. Irregular verb, first type. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Anju, ma'am.
Yes, Vida?
Ma'am. We yesterday you sent some notes, right? So that's we should write in the notes, ma'am.
After this class. So children, look at here. Children, look at here. This is type 1 where you can see all the three forms are same. Irregular verb type 1. And this table, please observe this table. This table is type 2 irregular verb where you can see any two forms are same. Okay. If I am writing come here, it is came here and it is come here. So in this form, this is also an irregular type because any two forms are same. So in the first example, bring, base form is different, but past form and past participle forms are same. And the base form come and past participle form come is same, only came is different. So which shows that any two forms are same. Okay, any two forms are same. Okay, this is the second type of irregular verb. For example, it is bring. Okay, if it is buy, how will you write? B-U-Y. If it is
Bought.
buy, how will you write? What is the past form?
Boat.
Boat.
Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. What is the past participle form?
Boat.
Bought itself. B-O, not buyed. B-O-U-G-H-T. It is not buyed, it is bought itself. Any
Past
two
participle
forms
is-
are same. Okay. Become. See, look at the example. Become. Look at the example. Become. Became. Become. Okay, so here the first one and the last one same. In the first example, second one, the past form and the past participle form, these two are same. Here these two are same. So any two of the three forms are same. Type 2 irregular verb. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us discuss about type 3. Okay, let us discuss about type 3 irregular verb where you can see all the three forms are different. Rice, one word, its past form is rose, spelling is different, pronunciation is different. And the third one is risen, that is also spelling different, pronunciation is different. Okay, sink, sank, sunk. Okay, example, drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. What is the past form? Drank.
Drank.
What is the past participle form?
Drunk.
Drunk. Okay. So all the three forms are different. Okay, all the three forms are different. Okay.
Drive.
Drive, very good. Example, very good example. Drive, D-R-I-V-E, drive. What is the past form? Drove. Past participle form? Driven. Okay, all the three forms are different. Okay, so this is called type 3 irregular verb. So children, the major difference between a regular verb and irregular verb, regular verb forms its past form and its past participle form adding in ed. Okay, there is a small two-letter words are adding with the past form and with the past participle form. Okay, ed, walk, past form is walked, ed is present, and also the past participle form is walked. That is regular verb. At the same time, if the past form and past participle forms are not formed with ed, then those verbs are called irregular verb in English grammar. Irregular verbs are
Some
of
will be
three
same,
types.
ma'am. Some will be
Okay?
same.
All the three forms are same, like cut, 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 put, set, set. All the three forms are same.
It is same.
Type 2. Children,
Type 1, ma'am.
2.
This was type.
Any two of the forms are same. Example, buy, bought, come, came,
fell, fall.
come. Okay, all these are the examples for type 2 irregular verb.
Feel,
Type
fell,
3,
fall.
children listen, type 3, all the 3 forms are different. Okay, example, drink, drank, drunk. Okay, rise,
Drink.
pause, listen,
Fly, ma'am. Fly.
sink, sank,
Fly.
sunk.
Fly.
Ah, very good. Then throw, threw, thrown. Okay, these are the examples for regular and irregular verb. I hope the regular and irregular verbs are clear.
Yes, ma'am. One example.
Of course you can.
Bite, bit, bitter.
Ah,
Bite, bit, bitten. Bite.
So I have a few words for you. You please find out the past form and past participle form of these words. Okay?
No?
Yes, of course.
Ma'am, and also we want to write these questions in the note.
Every day 5 words.
No
Take a
question.
paper or take an old book. Every day collect 5 verbs and find out its past form and past participle form. Otherwise you won't be able to know, because before, see, next topic is finite and non-finite verb. We are starting with the tense rules. Okay, we are starting with the tense rules where we need to use the different forms of verbs.
Ma'am,
Okay, so
past
regular
tense,
verbs and irregular verbs are a part of
future tense,
our finite verb. So
Ma'am.
children, I have a request. Collect 5 words daily. Find out its past
Yes,
form,
ma'am.
past participle form, and present participle form.
ma'am.
Must.
Yes.
Otherwise, you will be asking, ma'am, what is the past form of? See, now itself you asked, ma'am, how it is possible? How can we form walked in past tense? Because it is rule. By word, that walked is the past form of walk. That you should collect a knowledge by reading, that by using it. Okay, so children, now the question for you. Question number 1.
Now you are
Begin.
giving these
Ma'am,
notes. You want to write.
ma'am, we
No
should write
question.
this in the rough
No
book.
question now. I'll give you time to discuss. Question number 1. Begin. B-E-G-I-N. Begin.
Now we have to draw the columns.
No, just write the question first.
Begin.
B-E-G-I-N. Begin. Question number 2. Blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. B-L-O-W. Blow.
Ma'am, first one. Ma'am, first one, ma'am.
Next word. Break. B-R-E-A-K. B-R-E-A-K. Break.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Second one what, ma'am?
Coming, ma'am.
Children, first question, begin, B-E-G-I-N. Second question is blow, B-L-O-W. Third question is break, B-R-E-A-K.
Ma'am, we should find.
I won't give you the answer. That means you have to find
Ma'am,
out.
we should find this in
Choose,
regular verbs.
C-H-O-O-S-C, choose.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Word is choose. Find out the different forms of this word, and we'll be discussing a few other words in the next class. We have completed the portions for MCQ2.
Excuse me, ma'am.
1 minute. The next teacher is waiting. Sorry, children. I'm ending the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.